Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one several times in the past, although it's been a little bit, but I mean, FNMA, it's the classic. It's going to the weekend, so I figured let's get some things updated here. Especially from the technical perspective, the chart is actually sitting at a pretty important level. And by no means is this am I trying to proclaim like this is some sort of rocket scientist discovery on my part. No, anybody that understands charts, uses them, is going to be watching the same area. And that is this area right here around 265, give or take. But just going back through the history of the chart, you can see that the price has spent quite a bit of time down around this area. I mean, you have a whole bunch of areas right there. Yeah, a couple times the price dropped slightly below it. A couple other times the price didn't quite hit it. So that's what I'm saying. You know, it's just an area. It's a point of congestion. And then once again over here, you can see the price is hanging around that area, including today where the price went down there and bounced directly off of it right there. So going into next week, this is going to be a level that a lot of people are watching. Again, by no means is this some sort of, you know, just secret discovery on my part. A lot of people are going to be watching this because it is a very important level of support. And the other reason for that is in the event the price cannot hold up, then technically speaking, the next key overall area of support, not until down around here at the $2.50 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If this 265 area falls, I'm not saying that within the same day the price is going to be at 250. But technically speaking, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then go into kind of a slow little drift all the way down to $2.50, which has a very good history of acting as support too. You can see, you know, the price bounced directly off it right there, and then quite a bit more support right there. But so far, so good. You know, 265, this area up here is holding strong. But like I said, in the event that cannot continue to happen, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price go down to $2.50. What about areas of resistance? So if this thing decides it wants to start to bounce, pretty straightforward at this point in time. Key level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be the famous 50-day simple moving average, which is that purple line right there. I realize it's kind of way far up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line will move its way downwards and get more and more relevant. But that'll definitely be public enemy number one going into next week as far as the overall chart is concerned. But so far, so good. The bulls are holding above that level of support. So we'll see if 265 can continue to hold next week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.